Now that we have found these four angles, let's see how we can connect this set of the four angles with this set of the four angles. So let's start with initially angle 4. As clearly we found angle 1, which is 110 degrees. Now the question comes on finding angle 5. So let's see how we can find the next consecutive angle, angle 5. Now clearly I see that angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles, and hence 1 and 5 must be equal, because corresponding angles are equal when two lines are parallel. I have my angle 1 which is equal to angle 5 because they are corresponding angles. Since corresponding angles and they must be equal as the property we have seen. Now these two being corresponding angles and are equal, again I have my angle 1 which is already known to be 110 degrees, and therefore substituting for this I have this to be 110 degrees which is equal to angle 5. Therefore my angle 5 is degrees. Angle 5 is now found to be 110 degrees is how we get angle 5. Next, let's see how we can find angle 6. The next question is about finding angle 6. Angle 6 is what we are going to find next. To find angle 6. Now clearly I can see that angle 5 and angle 6 form a straight line angle, just like angle 1 and angle 2 which form a straight line angle. So I have angle 5 plus angle 6 which is clearly equal to 180 degrees, since they form a straight line. They form a straight line. Therefore 5 plus 6 equals 180. Now we know angle 5 is 110, which I am going to substitute here for this. 110 plus 6 is 180. That implies my angle 6 is 180 minus 110, which comes to the right. That implies angle 6 is 70. 180 minus 10, which is 70. Therefore angle 6, which is 70 degrees, is what we have found using the straight line property, utilizing angle 5. Next is about finding angle 7. So let's see how we can find angle 7 using the properties. To find angle 7, as we can see clearly that 5 and 7 are vertically opposite angles. So let's see if they are equal. Obviously, because vertically opposite angles are equal. Or also we can say 3 and 7 are corresponding angles. So you can either utilize angle 5 equals to angle 7 or angle 3 equals angle 7, because 7 acts as vertically opposite angle for 5 and 7 also acts as corresponding angle for 3. So let me take the concept of corresponding angle to find angle 7. Now since 3 and 7 are corresponding angles, angle 3 must be equal to angle 7, since they form corresponding angles. They form corresponding angles. Therefore, angle 3, which is 110 degrees, therefore I substitute for angle 3, which is 110 degrees, equals angle 7, which is already known out in the previous case. So I get my angle 7 to be 110 degrees. This is how I find angle 7 using the corresponding angle. Also, this can be verified for vertically opposite angle, because the angle 7 which I have obtained is nothing but the same as vertically opposite angle 5, which is 110. So vertically opposite angles are equal and corresponding angles are equal, can be verified through the values of the angles as obtained. 110, 110, 110, 110. This is how we can cross-check on the equality of the respective angles. Angle 7 equals 110 degrees. Next is about finding the last angle, angle 8. Let's see how to find the last angle of the parallel lines. To find the last angle, angle 8. Angle 8 is vertically opposite to angle 6. Angle 8 is corresponding to angle 4. It's our choice to take either the vertically opposite or the corresponding. So I take angle 8, 6 equals angle 8, because since they form vertically opposite angles. Since they form vertically opposite angles, they must be equal. And my angle 6, which is 70 degrees, is substituted out here, which is already formed in the previous case. Therefore, this being equal to this, now my angle 8 is 70 degrees. The last angle out here is found to be 70 degrees. Therefore, I have each of the angles which I can find through the given question, which says find the remaining angles for the diagram given out here. This diagram has only one angle which is given, that is angle 1 is 110. Now have all the remaining angles, angle 2 which is found to be 70 degrees, angle 3 which is found to be 110 degrees, angle 4 is 70, angle 5 is 110, angle 6 is 70, angle 7 is 110, angle 8 is finally 70 degrees. Is how we can find the remaining angles of the parallel lines connected with the transversal, strictly using the properties what we have learnt in the previous sessions, connecting with corresponding angles, vertically opposite angles, alternate angles, interior angles, and exterior angles. Real life applications of parallel lines in daily life situations.
If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on CBSE syllabus.